So this is the question number 1 from CBSE paper midterm 2021, and this question comes under the topic class 11th Python revision. So in this particular question, four options have been given to you and it has been asked out of the given four option which one is the invalid identifier. So in order to answer this one, first of all we need to understand what is an identifier in Python. अगर मैं बात करूं Python की तो in Python everything is in object. चाहे वो function हो, चाहे वो variable हो, चाहे वो module हो, चाहे even class हो. तो identifier क्या हो गया? Identifier are the name of these objects. So now in order to name these objects, we need to follow certain rules. Now let's take a look at these rules one by one. Okay, so first thing is जो भी आपका identifier है, it can start with either uppercase alphabet, lowercase alphabet or an underscore sign. Okay, now these identifiers can contain digits after starting with either uppercase, lowercase or underscore, but an identifier cannot start with a digit. हमेशा ध्यान रखिएगा जो identifier हैं they may contain digits but it cannot never start with a digit. Okay. Now the second thing is it cannot contain any special symbol other than underscore or even you cannot include white space as well. Okay. And the third one is it should not be a keyword. So keyword क्या होते हैं basically which has some special meaning and those special meanings has been reserved to interpreter of Python. Okay, तो अगर मैं Python की बात करूं तो total we have 33 keywords out of which true false none are क्या हो रहे हैं आपके capital case से start होते हैं बाकी rest of them are in the small case. Now I want you to take a list note of this list. इसके अंदर जो keywords mention है आपके just take a note of those keywords so that whenever you see the questions on the keywords in Python you will be able to answer those questions. Okay, now coming back to our question. So let's see the option number A. Option number A follows each and every rules of the identifier. It starts with a small case. It does not contain any digit. It does not contain any special symbol or even it is not a keyword. So this is your valid identifier. Option number B is your invalid identifier. Why? Because it is a keyword. Since break क्या है आपका एक keyword है. Same for option number C. Option number C follows each and every rule and same for the option number D. Option number D also follows each and every rule. इसके अंदर digits कहाँ आ रही हैं आपकी? End of the identifier. It we have already told you कि जो identifier है आपके it can contain digits but it cannot start with a digit. Hence तो option number B is correct because the reason is कि break क्या है आपका? Keyword है and as we already told you keyword cannot be used as an identifier. Okay. So now here is a practice question for you. Out of the given four option, you need to tell which one is the invalid identifier. Okay. Okay guys, then that's it for the day. If you have any doubt regarding this one, feel free to ask in the comment box and make sure you answer this practice question in the comment box. Okay guys, then thank you for your time.